Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to gift a Udemy course. They have a good sale going on right now, so if you want to give someone a course, let's say this one right here, Powerful Forex Scalping and Trading Strategy. Let's go. This is a $9.99 right now, and if you don't have a sale going on, what I suggest you do is come here to couponfollow.com. They do have good Udemy codes every single day, and this one is 50% off, so you can come here and click on that to copy the code. As you can see, it was verified working 5 hours ago. So you come back here, you can apply this coupon here, and then just click on apply. We'll already have one applied because of that sale, so we'll just go ahead and click on a gift this course. Now here, what you need to do is enter the recipient's name, their email, when you want this gift to be sent. You can come here and click on the calendar and choose. Maybe you want to gift them on a specific day. For example, their birthday. Let's say they're born on 11th of May. So you can gift them on that birthday. And maybe you want to send a personal message and say happy birthday, right? Let's go ahead and give a personalized message. All right, here we go. We have the name, email, and of course the date, as well as the message. Another day of learning. Happy birthday. Now we'll go and click on proceed to check out. Now here you can pay through various methods, right? We have cards. They accept Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Discover, many cards. And of course, you just need to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, name on the card, or you can choose to pay via PayPal as well. Once you've entered this information, just go ahead and pay, and they will be sent a link to this course. Okay, it will be added to their email on that day you have chosen. Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.